Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to show how to change multiple JPEG files, image files into a GIF file. I'm just going to convert that. So how to do that? This is my Photoshop, just it's an open one, and you would have seen my layers as well. So here, right, I have this multiple images. Before that, I think yes, everything is cool. So okay, now what I need to do is I need to enable the timeline. So to create the animations, so go to window and just choose for this timeline in your workspace. So okay, actually it's came now. This is my images, just import it. You can import through multiple files into a single project. So choose files or folders that you will be able to do that. I will import it in that way. So okay, to make it crisp, I just want to show now right, you need to choose. So just by default it will be like this. So you need to click and you need to create frame animations. So I'm going to put all this JPEG into frames. So just I'm choosing all the files, 22 files I have, and make sure this is created as frame animations. And just once you see this window, right, you will see this options. Yes, once you see this, right, click this create frame animation. Once you create it, you will see this options. Once you create it, right, you need to click this and make frames from layers. So now you can see this is actually, if I play it will be running. See, actually it's running now. So cool. So what I have to do is now I need to actually need to convert this now. So if you want to change the frame animations, the frames per second, you can change this way, but I'm not going to change anything, and directly I'm going to export this. Export, and here you will see the save for web legacy. So here, right, actually all the images will be loading and you will see this option. I want to convert it as GIF file. So here the GIF I'm choosing, by default it will be there, and everything it looks good. So if you want to, if you are very much familiar with colors, just do that. You can add your metadata informations, and you can put for example, you can put copyright symbol as well. But by the way, I'm just going to save this now. What is that? Spider-Man. Just I'm putting on my desktop. It's done. Minimizing it. So here actually my file is, see, actually this GIF file has been opened and it's look like small animations. So I like it. That's it. This is the way you can make simple GIF files in Photoshop. That's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please provide comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye.